They haven't even scraped the roads out here yet. And there's a hawk down there. Good morning, everyone. It's Anna at Jonestead Farm. We are a few days out from the ice storm that we were not supposed to get. We were only supposed to get snow. The entire forecast, they were calling for our area of central Kentucky to get like over a foot of snow, but it was just snow. Very, very slight possibility of any ice, but we got about 3 inches of snow and then probably a ½ inch of ice. I've got those little spiky things on the bottom. If I had known there was going to be that much ice in our area, because they were calling for the ice to be down in southern Kentucky around Somerset, that's an hour and a half away from us. I did come out here before the storm and I wrapped up this smaller chicken coop so that the wind would be off of them. Right here, I have a Tupperware bowl with a milk jug full of ice that is holding down that Tupperware so it wouldn't fly away to cover the plug. I knew we would be getting a lot of snow. I didn't want that getting into the plug because what I'm using is a aquarium heater. I can't get this. It's just ice. This doesn't open because there's ice right here. I'm hoping that it'll start melting. The sun has melted it off this side, and you can see just ice covering this side. I can't get the back up here because this is just all thick ice. So this I cannot get lifted up. It's frozen. If I can get this out at some point, and the lock is just all frozen up. That's all frozen. I can't even get in there except for the top right here. This top right here does lift up. That's how I've been able to refresh their water and their food. The big one is frozen shut. As you can see down here at the bottom, it's all frozen. Can't even get the door open to get in here. This was frozen. We banged on this trying to get it. I mean, it's just all ice right here. It is starting to finally melt a little bit, but this is just all frozen, so I couldn't get in to them. But if you can, I don't know if you can tell, but the steps even have ice on them. So their little door right here, that's all ice right there. Can't even open it. But the dog bowl that I put in here, the heated dog bowl that I put in here, is working great. But didn't matter because I can't get out. With all this ice in here, I'd be afraid of them walking around. Look at my sign, just covered in ice right here. All this covered in ice. Doesn't look like a lot, but it actually is a mess because we're just covered in ice right now. Thick ice. Their feed box did not get frozen shut, thank goodness. So I have been able to come out here each day, get them some food, and get them some fresh water. Thankfully, we have this side door over here. And this is what I've been using. Everybody's in there. Hi, babies. Looks like Red's comb has gotten a little bit of, you can tell on his comb. Either they've been pecking him or he has a little bit of frostbite maybe. I don't know. They might be pecking him. Hi, girl. But everybody looks okay. It is starting to drip. So hopefully it's not really hanging on the trees anymore. There's just a little bit up in the trees. Just getting it to melt off the ground now. It's going to take a few days of warmth to do that. It is February the 11th. We are finally out of the grips of this horrible ice storm that we got. Just see a few little remnants of snow and some compacted ice. I was able to take the shovel and finally get the ice away from the door. Today's the first day. Today is the first day that I have been able to get the ice away from that door, to open it, to get inside there, to open their little door right there. And it's taken them about 30 minutes because they've been cooped up inside the coop for all this time. And now they're finally able to come out and get a little bit of sunshine and exercise. My other coop is over here. I'm going to finish taking the plastic from around it. It was absolutely encased in ice. Couldn't move that plastic at all. We put the plastic up to shield them from those cold winds. Everybody did okay. Just a tiny bit of frostbite on the rooster's combs. Just a little bit. Their feet are fine. Everybody did good. Thank goodness. And now they're out. Hi, Red. Just thank goodness this ice is starting to melt. I could not walk. This was just ice. And now we've got our fields back. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. So nice to see the grass. Now this weekend we're going to be getting a lot of rain. I can handle the rain better than I can when this was nothing but ice out here. Skies are nice and pretty today. No lines. So very soon I will be going through my seeds. And this garden up here will be getting prepped. I'll see you next time on Jonestead Farm.